Each year the spring brings forth a deep passion of mine. It is awakened by the unmistakable rumble of the first spring gobble. It is a sound that instantly sparks excitement and adrenaline and leaves every hunter with a smile. At a young age, my father helped instill a deep passion for chasing gobblers. Watching and learning from his mistakes, as well as my own, has really helped me become successful in the constant battle between skill and the intense rush of excitement and disappointment between human and turkey. With breeding season already in full swing, it seems to have most of the toms already henned up, making it harder to find birds that are searching for hens. It seems as if I might have to adapt and resort to different methods. However, sometimes different methods come with a risk.
As soon as he saw the decoy, he started walking towards me. I know he's coming, so I know he's coming. I just can't see him. I don't know what I did. I think he just came close enough. He's like 20 yards. Man.
I have to change it up. I have to grab the shotgun in the fan. I gotta take this fight to him. The last week of season coming to a close, I find myself searching for unpressured birds. With what little time I have left, I feel it necessary to trust my instincts. plan is to watch and scout this single flock of birds. They seem to be feeding in the wheat fields, then gathering up and strutting around back in the secluded hilly pasture, providing me with the opportunity to slip in close and undetected.
Should be right over this hill. I gotta hurry up, get set up. I think I'm just gonna kind of sit pretty quiet. We call just a couple times, handful of times. I'm not gonna overcall. I don't think I need to at a spot like this. I think it's so kind of give them the silent treatment like they do sometimes. I think it'd be better if Big Tom walked around the corner and saw this decoy over here and startled him. I think it'd be good. Instead of him leery looking coming into a call, especially getting late in the season, I think it'd work a little better. Yeah, baby. Yes. Freaking work perfect, baby.
With all the excitement of season coming to an end, I'm very thankful that all my hard work has paid off. I'm sure there are many hunters out there that can relate to the emotional, intense roller coaster we all endure each time we step into the woods. Though it's not the success that drives us, it's the hope that next year I can spend my days chasing these beautiful birds with great friends, great family, and continue my everlasting fight with feathers.